Good morning. Buy now, pay later update for people betting on the SPY. Okay, the SPY has a consolidation on the hourly chart. I think it goes a lot lower. For those that bet to go higher, good luck. For those that bet for it to drop on buy now, pay later, at least you're invested. You have a directional movement. Whatever you believe is going to happen 3 months from now, you get a chance to capture the big gains. And I'm just updating the consolidation with negative volume here on this hourly chart. I think that we're going to go lower on the SPY sometime today. That support, I've drawn all the support levels all the way down from the rally and the huge gaps. Look at that resistance, and down it went. We have the same resistance right here. Once again, stay tuned. Get in. Buy now, pay later. You don't have any investment working now, and you don't have any credit. At least you know I'm your friend. I am.